It's easy to stand with the crowd, but it takes courage to stand alone. What am I talking about? Welcome to One Question at a Time series. I am Dr. Monisha. So, in this picture, you can see dorsal interossei and palmar interossei. Okay, so you can see the dorsal interossei are bipinnate muscles. You can very well see they are bipinnate muscles, but the palmar interossei are unipinnate muscles. Okay, and you can see that the middle finger has dual insertion of dorsal interossei. You can see two dorsal interossei muscle inserted onto the middle finger. But coming to palmar interossei, the middle finger has no palmar interossei insertion. Why? Because the dorsal interossei's work is to abduct the fingers. That is, it has to pull the ring finger and the index finger away from the middle finger, as the arrow mark says. So what happens is, when you pull the ring finger and the index finger away from the middle finger has to stand alone. The middle finger has to stand alone and it needs two dorsal interossei to stand alone. But when you come to palmar interossei, its work is adduction of the fingers. So you can see that the palmar interossei of the little finger, the ring finger, the index finger and the thumb are all going to come together towards the middle finger. And the middle finger doesn't have to do anything. It just needs to be there and all the other fingers will come to it. That's what I am saying. It takes strength to stand alone. That's why for standing alone, the middle finger needs two dorsal interossei. Whereas standing together, the middle finger doesn't need any palmar interossei. So how you can remember is that dorsal interossei causes abduction, dab. Okay, dorsal interossei causes abduction and palmar interossei causes adduction. And both the dorsal interossei and palmar interossei is supplied by the deep branch of ulnar nerve. So how you can test is, you can give a slip of paper between the index finger and the middle finger and we can try to pull it and we can test the strength of palmar interossei, or we can try to adduct the index finger and the middle finger and we can test the strength of dorsal interossei. So our question is, which finger has two dorsal interossei muscle attached? Middle finger, because it takes strength to stand alone. Thank you guys.